What are the benefits of being an organ donor? Hi everyone, my name is DeAnn, and today I'm here to discuss the benefits of being an organ donor. Being an organ donor, you will be able to save the life of someone in need of vital organs. That will save their life. This means you will be giving someone the ultimate gift, the best gift that you can ever give and someone could ever receive, the gift of life. By being an organ donor, you can save one or more lives by giving a person who needs an organ transplant a second chance at life that they might not have without an organ donor. There are many different types of organ donations, such as the heart, which can help a person suffering from coronary artery disease to an infant with a birth defect. You can donate a liver to a person suffering from a life-threatening liver disease, to a child born with filaria artistiae. The kidney can be donated to a person suffering from severe kidney disease and ultimately eliminate the need for dialysis for a kidney patient by receiving a transplant. There are many other types of organs that can be donated, from the lungs to the coronaries to the pancreas, and as well as the small intestine. You also donate tissues such as skin and bone. There is a need for these as well. When given an organ donation, it gives a recipient a chance at life that otherwise would die. This is among one of the most merciful behaviors in which someone could be remembered for, and a man remembered will never be forgotten. Any person donating and giving new life to as many as 5 people with their organ donation. Your eyes can give someone sight, and your heart can continue to beat even after you are gone. After we are dead and gone, we will no longer be able to use our organs. So why should we deprive someone else from using them when their life depends on it? There are not a lot of people that give organ donations, and every day there are more than 17 people that will die in the United States that have been waiting on a list for 5 or more years for them to receive a match donor for their organ transplant. You have the power to save someone's life, and if given the chance, I would hope that you would choose to save a life and give the gift of life to someone in need of an organ transplant. If this has not convinced you to be an organ donor today, then let's look at one special little girl named Alyssa DiMatteo. Alyssa was born with congenital smooth muscle disorder, which is a disorder that does not allow her to have normal functioning of her stomach, and this disease is a fatal disease. This little girl would have died without an organ donation from a 1-year-old little girl whose parents donated her organs after she had passed. Today, we have talked about being an organ donor and the benefits of giving the ultimate gift to a person who would not be given this chance if people did not become organ donors. When we die, we can't use our organs, so why not give them to a person whose life may depend on it? This will give you a chance to save someone's life, and your organs can live on after you are gone. You can find further information on the following web addresses listed here on my site information. This information will give you further detail into being an organ donor. You can also be an organ donor by applying at the time for your driver's license or renewal. The following web addresses listed will be www.donatelifenm.org, www.lifegift.org, and www.optm.org. OTPM stands for the Organ Procurement and Transplantation Network. Their information helps save lives. Another, and finally but not least, www.lifepassedon.org. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening.